In this video, meeting oncoming traffic, how to deal with different meeting situations, and who has priority. In this example, the priority for oncoming traffic because our site being blocked. Now we have a priority because our site is clear. In this case, no one got priority because both sides of the road has been blocked by parked cars. Make sure to give priority. Don't take priority unless the oncoming vehicle is stopped first. In this situation, it's difficult to see around the corner and need to slow down and stay on the left side ready to stop. In this example, I'm coming to stop until I can see clearly. I can see a bus coming from the end of the road. I don't have to wait, so we can meet the bus halfway through. This road is wide enough for 2 cars now, but make sure to keep looking ahead in case the road becomes narrow.